First of all, I want to show you how to install anti-kickback. So where is the anti-kickback here? It's right here. This anti-kickback. How to take it? It's locked. Just here is button. Just press it and take it. That's it. And easy to put it back. You just put it in, press the button. That's it. It's locked. Okay, take it. When we take it, we need to raise blade up. Okay, good enough. Here we have blade and ribbon knife. So on this ribbon knife we have 3 spaces. The middle space, this for anti-kickback. How to install it? Just put it here, press the button and put it down. Okay, another. Up. Press it, put down. One more time. Press the button and raise it up. Put it in, press the button, put it down. Easy. Now it's on the place and you can work. So now I want to show you how to install face guard. So we have already ribbon knife here, anti-kickback, and then this is fence guard. So fence guard has, this is lock, and this part has inside pin. Can you see this pin? So this pin is settled right there. To install fence guard, first of all we have to raise blade up to highest point. Look at this. This is anti-kickback going down, and this hook is getting open. So we have pin inside here, and we have to put this pin like this. Put fence down, and here we have lock. That's it. It's already set up. So how to take it back? Unlock and then slide it down. One more time. Make sure it's unlocked. Just put it in, put it down, lock. That's it. It's set up. Now we install rib fence. So this plate should be outside, and here we have 3 pins, and from other side we have 3 pins too. So just put it right here, one, and put another one on the other side. And if you have this lock on top, you can lock it. So first of all you need to put it down and then lock, and put down this and lock. That's it. Rib fence is already set up. So now you can slide it to one side, to another side. If you need to rip big piece, just put this plate down. It's help you to hold it. So if you need to rip wider pieces, just put it here to this pin, and on the back side to another pin, and lock it. That's it. And you can rip. Here is 24 inches wider. So usually we can use this. So when we set up all this part, the last one what we have to do, So we have to take knife. We take knife and unsecure this button. So it's ready for work. We can plug and check how it's work. Okay. Now it's ready for work.